Wow. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Bangalore. My God, heavy lunch, huh? All right. Thank you so much. A warm welcome to each one of you. My name is Shekhar. I'm the country manager for design and manufacturing at Autodesk, managing the business for India and SAARC. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you had a fantastic first half in the morning, and I promise you there's an action-packed second half, a lot of great speakers for the second half of the day, specifically around the manufacturing agenda, right? This is the 7th Autodesk University that we are doing. We're doing this for the second time in Bangalore, and some of the feedback that we have received has been so encouraging. Autodesk University has become a fantastic platform where we are giving people an opportunity to come and share their knowledge, to come connect with each other, to network along with each other. And I hope you would take the opportunity to do the same along with your peers in the industry. Just before we get started, a few housekeeping rules, please. May I request you to please put your mobile phones on silent? Also, we have a dedicated section for question and answers at the end of the day, closer to maybe a little post 5:30, and would request, in case you have any questions, please make a note of it, and you will get an opportunity to ask all of those questions to the speaker right at the end of it. Before we get started, also, you would have heard in the beginning of the day today, you would have received an email as a survey. Request you to please access it, fill in that email, fill in that survey before 5 p.m. and stand a chance to win goodies by the end of it, right? Pertaining to manufacturing, manufacturing continues to remain one of the core drivers of the economy across the globe, irrespective of whether it is an advanced or a developing country, right? But then no one's shying away from the fact that there are so many challenges that the industry faces today. Challenges around economic pressure, challenges around customers demanding customization of product, challenges around the traditional form of manufacturing that we have been using. Not just that, what we need is shorter time to market, and the entire product life cycle is in question. But then with challenges also comes across opportunities. Opportunities for us to review the way we currently do things. Opportunities to relook at how we can make design a lot more smarter. Opportunities for us to look at how can we do manufacturing a lot more smarter. Maybe embrace new technologies like automation or connected factories for that matter. That's what we're going to be focusing on. On the main stage today, you would have heard from Bhupesh Lal, and he spoke about the future of making. We're speaking of concepts of more better with less, right? In this breakout session, what you will hear is 5 or 6 customers actually come and share their experience along with you, and that's the fantastic lineup that we have today. So what you would get to learn today is going to be around practical implementations of Industry 4.0 with specific examples around the automotive industry. What you're going to see today or hear today is going to be people coming and sharing with you smarter approaches towards concept design, not just that. The following presentation with that would cover productivity improvements on design automation from 2D to 3D. We have an exciting lineup. We're going to have a short break in between, followed by which we're going to be having an interesting presentation around the digital factories shaping the future of manufacturing, right? The factories of the future. Finally, the new age technology around generative design.